Hey, what's going on, guys? Kel Meyer here with Water's Edge Realty. Today, I'm at my beautiful new listing, 113 Paddock Drive. If you've ever wanted to experience the lifestyle that Fairhope has to offer, now is your opportunity. Paddock Estates sits just across the street from Mobile Bay here on Alabama's beautiful Gulf Coast. What makes this neighborhood unique is that it's one of the few in the area with no HOA. When you first come into the home, you'll notice that the home has been fully remodeled down to the studs. New drywall, new windows, and new floors. A wall was removed and the kitchen was relocated, which now includes new granite, all new cabinets, and brand new appliances that convey with the home. The exterior of the home was also given a facelift, a new paint job, and a new roof, but all of the mature trees were left to allow the personality of the property to remain. So if you're interested in this home at 113 Paddock Drive, have your agent set up a showing, or just give me a call and I'd be more than happy to show you what it has to offer.